What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and I have a huge amazing announcement, and that is that I am done and finished with my 5th indicator. Yes, I created this indicator, I coded it here on TradingView, and I'm finally finished with it, and I'm going to explain it in this video. By the end of the video, if you're not convinced on this indicator, I'm going to show you guys here how I used it, and I used a lot of trial and error to make this indicator. I didn't make it in a day, so I'm going to explain to here what this indicator is all about, but it is called the fib waves, and you're not going to find this by searching it because it is a private indicator, and the only way to access it is through my Patreon. And you can access it, not just this indicator, the fib waves, but other indicators that I have that a lot of people already started using. So thank you guys so much if you are on the Patreon and using. And look, again, the Patreon is not a group, it's only for my indicators and charts. Okay, my group, Discord, and the Telegram is 100% free, so feel free to ask. And also towards the end of the video, I'll also explain my 3 tiers here. But if you want to know the pricing for any of my indicators, the first tier, the bronze tier, the lowest tier, is $8. So for this indicator and any one of my indicators, you can access it for $8 a month. Okay, and I made that. I think that's a great deal. Of course, the bronze tier is only for one indicator, but again, it's any choice, any one. Okay, and then the second tier is basically you can access 2 of my indicators, and you get access to my watch list, my private watch list on CoinMarketCap, which I'm always updating, and you're able to see the coins that I'm invested in and that I'm looking at. But that one's 2 indicators plus the watch list. And then the gold tier, the last tier, which is 73, you get access to all of my indicators and charts. Okay, all of them, even the ones that I make in the future. So like there's a couple of people that are on this tier, and this indicator, they're gonna get access to it ASAP as soon as I publish it. And obviously you get the watch list, and yeah, any choice of any indicator. I think it's a great deal because I'm always gonna be creating indicators and charts for different perspectives. That's the whole point of my charts, to give you different perspective on the market on when you should make a decision, because you shouldn't make a decision based on one indicator alone or one chart alone. It should be based on a good amount of indicators and charts. So let's get started here. I'm going to give you guys a small recap of this indicator. Again, I'm going to be using it in my live streams and also sharing it in some videos. But basically, this is Bitcoin, right? And you can see right here that my indicator, every single time in the bear market, you can see that it shows you here every time we're in that green. And again, look, I made this purposely for a reason, but again, you can, this is 100% customizable. If you click on my indicator, you can look, if you don't like the colors, right, you can take out the colors, just keep it like that. Maybe you don't like the border, you like the colors, you can take out the border. And on top of that, you can change the colors. Okay, but I made this to my own preference. Of course, you can change it, but there's a reason why I made this, the bear market section here, green, right? Because the green, I'm trying to change the psychology that even though we are in ultimate fear here, here, and over here, right? It's green for a reason, and that is to buy. That's a green signal to buy. All right, so and you can see right here my indicator, every single time here, the best times to buy, we are in that section right there. Okay, and again, this is called the fib waves for a reason, right? It's like it looks like a wave, right? And it's based on Fibonacci key points. And you guys know I love Fibonacci, and this is my first indicator based on Fibonacci. There's gonna be more to come. This is my first one. I'm really proud of it. And we can see right here, it's all based on Fibonacci key points. Okay, so yeah, we can see right here that this is a great indicator to know when to buy and also when to sell. But the thing here, so for example, we got the top right here, right, in the neutral zone, in the white, right? And look, we're in that white right now. But the thing is, just because we're in that white doesn't mean that this is the top, because this is a perfect example right here. When we were in the white right here, right, we kept climbing and climbing and climbing and climbing until we got to a certain point where we came down and we bounced off right here in this orange zone. So we might come down and bounce off in the orange zone this bull market if we get a dip and then come back up, right? Again, it's all situational, but most likely based on my indicator, at some point in the future when we're in that white zone up, right up here somewhere, and we're in that white zone, that's probably going to be a signal to sell. That most likely we're at the top. Again, you don't just want to use this indicator to know when to sell, right? You want to use other indicators plus this one as well as when to buy. So yeah, you know, I think you can also, this is on the monthly, you can use it on the weekly, you can use it in multiple key frames, okay, key times here. You can see right here on the weekly the best, look at that, the best times to buy here. Even on the weekly you can see, boom, right, when we were deep here in the deep green, and then we made a recovery here, right? So this was the best times to buy. If you looked at this on the weekly, you're like, okay, we're in that green here based on the fib waves, let me buy, right? Let me buy. So in my opinion, this is a great indicator to know when to, the best times to buy. And you can even go right here on the daily, right? If you're day trading or swing trading, you can also see, okay, look at this. I mean, this is a great example here. This is why this is a great, not just on the long-term key times, but on the daily too. Look at that, right? That was a great time to buy right there when we were in the green. Boom, you would have bought that, you would have been up here. This was when Bitcoin went to 56K. Yeah, which was a couple weeks ago. So, and that was the on the daily, that was the first time it went into the green since back here when Bitcoin was around 38K. So that's another good example for you right there. Now let's go here to the 4 hour, right? You also see right here on the 4 hour, very accurate too. You can see how we were here in the green on the 4 hour, right? And even right here, look, it on the 4 hour, right? You would have bought this. This would have been a great trade to sell right here in the blue, right? You take some profits. We start downtrending. We come back here to the green. You buy again. We come here to the blue, take profits. It's just ping-ponging between these fib waves, okay? That's why I named it the fib waves. But again, you catch the, you know, what it's all about. And again, I just gave you a bunch of examples right there on all key time frames, not just the monthly and weekly, but the monthly. You can see every single bear market, it shows you the best time to buy in the green, right, for a reason. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing you a lot more content with this indicator that I created, and if there's any updates, I'll probably make a video if there's any big updates for this indicator, because again, it's not just when it's just out there, it's not, I can update it as well. So definitely check it out. It's in the Patreon. I'll leave the link in the pinned comment. Again, if you got any questions, once you join the Patreon, you can you're one-on-one with me. So if you got any questions, you can ask me on there or comment them below. But I just want to say thank you guys again. And again, guys, the only thing that I sell are my indicators, charts, and my watch list, which is like a small thing, but mainly my indicators and charts. My Discord is 100% free. My Telegram is 100% free. No tiers. There's only one tier, and that's the free tier. All right, so definitely join. And yeah, I'm really happy. I'll let you guys know more about it as we go on, and I'm gonna use it to know the best times to sell during this bull market. So I'll keep you guys updated with that. Love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.